Assalamu alaikum. Let's discuss the Tech IT Mind, our idea for revolutionizing the IT support with generative AI. First, I will discuss the introduction of my project, then I will give the brief of my team members, then I will discuss the traditional IT support, why it lacks, and why we introduce the Tech IT Mind. And at the end, I will conclude my presentation. Uh, First, very important thing about the engineering landscape that in every engineering field, IT infrastructure is mandatory because it's a digital first world. So, reliable IT support is essential to ensure a seamless operation and sustained progress in engineering and IT. This is our team that make this idea workable. Traditional IT support systems are time consuming processes because it depends upon a manual process of going through a heavy documentation or contacting to the person and waiting for their response. That is also a frustrated, and the person that comes may not aware of the contextual understanding. So we introduce a Tech IT Mind, a solution that understands technical jargon, engineering workflow, and IT intricate to deliver the fast, accurate, and actionable support. As you can see, we have represent Tech IT Mind in three colors: Tech for technology, IT for IT, blue is for IT, and Mind is for red, that is engineering based mind. Our system do two tasks. One is classification. Not only it propose a solution, but based on the person query, it classifies that from which domain it belongs, from which category it belongs, and displays the category that your query belongs to this category. Also, it generate the response um, uh, given by the query of the user, that how your problem can be resolved. As you can see, an interface of our system, and this is our system title Tech IT Mind. When I ask my internet is not working and get the answer, it categorizes, that means it classifies that it is an internet connectivity issue, and it suggests a short brief answer that restart your router or modem, and it also gives the detailed point wise help to proceed and do further steps if the short answer do not help. It also filters the irrelevant question because it is a RAG based generative AI app. So if I give irrelevant detail, then it categorizes it that it is not incorporated in the system because it is irrelevant, or we have short data to deal with this. Basically, three core technologies on which we build this system. One is generative AI framework that we have learned in our trainings. Then the retrieval-augmented generation for making the IT specific application and giving the document of the IT support system, and the technical language processing that are important for score calculation or sentence transformations. One of the key challenge in making this application is dataset. Only the one available dataset is Kaggle ticket based IT complaint dataset, but it only consists of the emails given by the users and the response given by the service providers for the classification purpose only, but it do not give a proper resolution of the solution. So we generated a data set with the help of our team member Dr. Abdul Wahab, a question answer and category based data set of short questions to help. It is almost about 1000 entries, and because of the free resources we trimmed down to 250, but on our repository we have all these versions with this tested. So it is a JSON based dataset in which I have question, answer, and category. The Tech IT Mind redefines IT sports across diverse sectors. It is not helpful for the IT only, but it is helpful for education sector, healthcare, manufacturing, engineering, government and public service, retail and e-commerce. Wherever a system is, there is IT because digital first world is there. So IT support is essential everywhere. Tech IT Mind ready to bridge the gap between technical complexity and simplified problem solving. Let's just revolutionize the IT sports together. Thank you so much.